Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. A 19-year-old woman was killed in a two-vehicle crash at the intersection of Brunswick Avenue and Angel Toll Plaza Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Friday night. Her identity has not been released. The incident happened around 9:30 p.m. Preliminary police reports indicate that a 2007 blue and white International 800 truck collided with the front of a 2018 grey Honda Fit that the woman was driving. So my wisdom warriors, 19-year-old woman killed in Spanish Town crash. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Triple murder victim planned to start wig business in December. Theonia Mantle was brought to tears on Friday when she recalled how her daughter's plan of owning her business was destroyed by gunmen. Her daughter, 23-year-old Kimberly Plummer, was one of 3 people shot dead on August the 30th on Mandela Terrace off Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew. The other 2 victims were identified as Derek Goodgames Jr. and Anthony Bennett. My wisdom warriors, this is just sad. This is just sad. Killing every single day. And there is no crime plan. The government not doing nothing. Government is not doing nothing. And when you come out and talk about it, them vex. They not like you. You say, you hate them. When that is not the case. You understand? We just have to highlight these things. Andrew Holness say, he might come up with a crime plan, which, come up with no crime plan. Well, it look like a Zozo, them are the crime plan, because anytime there's an accident or an incident, at that time they say they send out the Zozo. So definitely the Zozo is the crime plan, my wisdom warriors. I hope you see what me I say. Anyway, taking this.
Jamaica, it's time for us to fire Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness, call the general election so that the people of Jamaica can fire you from the role of Prime Minister of this country. You have no regard for the democratic right of the people of Jamaica. And we're tired of the insult and disrespect that you have shown us time and time again. You call a by-election 24 hours after an MP from a safe Jamaica Labour Party constituency resign. That you force the lady to resign so that you can have a by-election, so that you can do some changes because your prize bull, Nigel Clark, jump ship because the ship is sinking. Andrew Holness, there are about 5 constituencies, 2 constituencies and 2 divisions that needs a by-election. And you and your government amend the legislation not to call a by-election in Morant Bay because you said that burial, the effect of burial causes that, so on delay it instead of 90 days to 180 days. This lady resigned yesterday and you call a by-election today. Burial condition is not the same. You're a hypocrite. The Jamaica Labour Party is a hypocrite government. And I salute Mark Golding not to participate in any by-elections because the general election is due within this year. The JLP is going into their 5th year, 5th and final year of government, and they need to call the general elections so that the people of Jamaica, so that we can fire you. Andrew Holness, we're tired of your mismanagement, your disrespecting government, and your government badness. It's time that you call a general election. You're a coward and you're afraid. You are afraid to call the general election. So you're hiding in calling the by-election so that you can drum up the support of the Jamaica Labour Party and then create a narrative to say the people of Jamaica is still with the Jamaica Labour Party. But Andrew, this is 2024. Jamaicans are not Jamaicans are fool again. Jamaicans are no idiots. Call the general election. You're a coward. You're calling the by-election so that you can build that momentum. But it no matter how many by-elections you call in a safe Jamaica Labour Party constituency, the people of Jamaica is tired of you, fed up of you. You boast about the economy is growing and the economy is actually contracting. Inflation is high. People can't afford food. Everything expensive. Gas gone up. You're spending $30 million on one election, Mr. Holness, and the Jamaica Labour Party government. You are spending $30 million on one election, while people who are still recovering from burial still not have food for heat, still not have light, still not have water. Farmers lose their livelihoods. People are still recovering. Roads bad, and you are willing to take up $30 million and spend on one by-election, and you have about 4 or 5 by-elections to call. Andrew, why not call the general election? Call the general election so the people of Jamaica can fire you from the job because you're not doing a good job. And I am a Jamaican, and I can say proudly that I'm not proud of this Prime Minister. I'm not proud of your achievements, not proud of the achievements of the Jamaica Labour Party. It's time that we get a new captain of the ship, because the ship that you are sailing is sinking, and we see that, and everybody's seeing it. Time come, call the general election and stop hide behind by-elections.
Who agree with him, my wisdom warriors? Who agree with him? When me tell you, say, time come, and Jehovah's time is up. And Jehovah's time is up, my wisdom warriors. A joke, a prime minister this. You don't think a joke? This a prime minister here is a big joker. A big joker. Him leave Trelawney. Trelawney now no MP, no representative for 1 year straight. And this man has start a play politics. As I come joke out the thing. Just because, you know, say him a real coward, my wisdom warriors. Me said this a man here is a coward, he afraid of PNP like a puss. All you see them a jump up and a hype up. Them afraid them a set a coward. That's why you see me hide behind by election. And that him a do for true. And that him a do, my wisdom warriors. You know what? Hear this. Juliet Cockburn-Flynn posted this on her page saying the PNP argument lacks substance. Me tell her say this a girl here, I want dunce bat, you know. She definitely need to come out of House of Parliament. This a girl here. A dunce bat this, my wisdom warriors. Dunce bat this. Can you imagine? This one, me tell her say they no fear. These people, like, them no fear. Them say they love the Jamaican people, but really and truly they don't. They not have no, what more than say now, they not have no regards for the Jamaican people. They can't imagine Juliet Cockburn-Flynn always come out and a chat nonsense, rubbish out her mouth. The PNP argument lacks substance. What do you mean the PNP argument? What is she talking about? Una always come out and mislead the people there. Me say me want to hold her una go to prison. I want the whole of you go to prison, all your girl, all you, Toughisha. Me say my wisdom warriors, me want them go to prison so till they lie and wicked enough to their own. Because if these people can come out, you know, on public platform and tell lies, what they want to do to we? If they can come and mislead we for them masters, what they want to do to the Jamaican people? Here this a girl I run out and I said the PNP argument lacks substance. It is undemocratic to decline participation in an election process based solely on emotions. Really? Really? You're calling this a girl? Tag her for me there. I don't like this dirty girl. Tag her for me there, my wisdom warriors. You can't imagine? It is undemocratic? Really? So wait there. Trelawney do not have a representative for 1 year. 1 year. St. Anne's not have a representative for 2 days. And you think that is democratic? Really and truly, girl, it come like you drink mad post piece. Something definitely wrong with you. Hey, if any Jamaican sit down and listen to this girl, no me no say, uno na no sense. If uno really sit down and my wisdom warriors, I see some comment and them a agree with her and them a believe her. And I'm like, these people are misleading the Jamaican people because you have some of them genuinely don't understand. They really believe her from them heart, my wisdom warriors, which they don't know, so them are lied. Them are lied because if you go come out and I say, it is undemocratic to decline participation. So wait there, what Andrew Holness do? Is that democratic? It is not. That is undemocratic what Andrew Holness do. Leaving a constituency, leaving a division without a MP for one whole year, and you think that is okay? You think that is democratic? Girl, you need to go wash your dirty foot them. Seriously, because something wrong with you. Go wash your dirty foot them. Because if you did wash them from morning, you would have pure goal. Go wash your dirty foot them. You chat too much. And she not stop this, you know. She go on and said, the PNP party has disregarded the voice of the people. Me have to laugh. The PNP party? Really, girl? Really? The PNP party disregarded the voice of the people. It come, me tell us that they sick in their head appear done spot in a Jamaica Labour Party. How you fi say the PNP disregarded the voice of the people? Out of the PNP and the JLP, which one disregard the voice of the people? No, must the JLP? The JLP is the one that disregard the voice of the people, not the PNP, madam. Hello, Tafisha, not the PNP. Seriously, could never. Remember, Sir Trelawney, 1 year now, they don't have an MP. So who disregarded the voice of the people? Now must be a prime minister? It has to be a prime minister. So what are you saying? You sound so dunce, girl. You better go back to basic school. Seriously. It just better you go back to basic school because you're not on no head. Are you just out here every single day lying to the Jamaican people and tricking them, misleading them? It is bad. And you call yourself a minister. It is really bad, you know, my wisdom warriors, when a minister come out and keep lying all the time. You know, so then if you go to prison for tell lie, then if you start go to prison man for tell lie. Seriously, they're too wicked and bad, man. From I born, I never hear nothing go so yet. First she come out and she say how the PNP is undemocratic to decline in the participation in an election process. That's the first thing she say. When nothing like that. Nothing like that. She come out and she said the PNP party disregarded the voice of the people. Nothing like that, girl. Nothing like that. The only person that disregard the voice of the people is Andrew Holness. The only person, you know why? Because Andrew Holness is a coward. He can't step to Marky G. None of uno. That's why uno out here like some little idiot. A type, and a disrespect Mark Golding. That's all uno can do. Uno dunce bat. I don't know how someone get this a position here. But anyway, some things did come out and say 95% of uno in the Jamaica Labour Party don't have no qualification. 95% of uno don't. Uno a dunce bat. The whole of uno. A dunce bat in there. Seriously. Only few. Like Marlene Malaho, maybe Nigel Clark, and probably few more. That's it. But the rest of uno dunce. Because how can you coming out here and saying such a thing? How could you do that? Anyway, my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on the nice clean self. One love.